In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border to image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking border around your photo using simple tools already built into Express. Let's begin by opening Adobe Express. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for what we're doing. Once you're in, look for the option to start a new project and hit Start New Design. This opens a blank workspace so you can quickly set up your canvas. If you see presets, don't worry too much about exact dimensions right now. You can always adjust later. Next, select the sample option. This gives you a ready-made canvas to jump in quickly without having to define every setting from scratch. It's a helpful shortcut when your goal is simply to place an image and add a border. Now head to the left sidebar and click Media. This is where you'll manage assets you want to bring into the design. Inside Media, click Photo, which tells Express you want to add an image rather than, say, a video or a graphic. Then, select your photo. You can pick one from your device, from cloud storage, or from any library you already have connected. Once selected, your photo will appear on the canvas. Feel free to drag the corners to resize it and position it where you want it to sit inside the design. With your photo in place, it's time to build the border. Go back to the left sidebar and click Elements. Elements is where you'll find handy graphics and shapes that you can use as framing tools. From there, click Shape. Choose a simple rectangle or square depending on the orientation of your image. When the shape lands on your canvas, drag its corners so it's slightly larger than your photo. The goal is to create a frame that surrounds the image with a consistent margin. If you want precise alignment, use the smart guides that appear as you move and scale the shape. They help keep spacing even. Finally, resize the border until you're happy with the thickness and spacing around the photo. You can nudge and fine-tune by zooming in for accuracy and using the handles to adjust. To make the border stand out, consider changing the shape's color in the Properties panel and matching it to your brand or the mood of the photo. That's it. You've added a clean border to your image in Adobe Express using simple, reliable steps. Save your project when you're done, and